Ryan Kaji, meet the 9-year-old millionaire, who's the star of his YouTube channel.
Hey
Ryan's
Ryan,
World
are you
has been
ready for
named
a
the
party?
highest paid YouTuber for the third time in a row.
Cool! You
Kaji
figuring it
reportedly
out?
earned $29.5 million, estimated to be 220 rupees crore from June 2019-20. Ryan Kaji, from Texas, made $29.5 million, or Euro 24.1 million, from his YouTube channel Ryan's World, as well as a further estimated $200 million, or Euro 163.5 million, from Ryan's World branded toys and clothing, including Marks and Spencer pajamas. He also signed an undisclosed, but likely multimillion dollar, deal for his own TV series on Nickelodeon. Kaji, who is described as a child influencer, first began making YouTube videos in March 2015 after watching other toy review channels and asking his mother, "How come I'm not on YouTube when all the other kids are?"
Welcome to Ryan's World!
His family, who changed their real surname, Guan, to his on screen surname, Kaji, now run 9 YouTube channels. Ryan's World was the most popular, with 41.7 million subscribers and 12.2 billion views. Kaji's most popular video, Huge Eggs Surprise Toys Challenge, has more than 2 billion views, making it one of the 60 most viewed videos ever on YouTube. However, Kaji and his family are now facing the threat of a US Federal Trade Commission investigation over allegations that video's sponsors are not properly disclosed. Nearly 9% of the Ryan Toys review videos have included at least one paid product recommendation aimed at preschoolers, a group too young to distinguish between a commercial and a review, a complaint from the consumer watchdog, Truth in Advertising, said. These advertisements often depict unhealthy foods.
Just came out from nowhere and just broke.
Benjamin Burrows, an assistant professor of journalism and media studies at University of Nevada, Las Vegas, who studies emerging and social media trends, warned that there was a danger that other children were being targeted by child influencers in ways that parents may not be cognizant of or aware of. As a child influencer, Ryan is being courted by companies to play with the latest toy so that other children can see it. But now, the child influencer himself has become a brand that is then being put into Walmart and Target and Amazon as its own force and influence, Burrows said. It's pretty shocking. Burrows said he became interested in the child influencer phenomenon after his own kids asked him to do the things that Ryan's family was doing. I thought, oh, there is something going on here if my kids are expecting our family to look like Ryan's family. In Ryan's family, they are able to constantly consume content and products. They are opening up a new toy every day and subsequently playing with that new toy every day. So there is this constant consumerism that's being embedded within these messages for children. A 9-year-old is still number one, but the runner-up is a newcomer who came armed with a forklift, an exploding Toyota, and the most expensive firecracker ever made. And he is just getting started. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy the video, feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and comment.